Hey, it's Gina from WTI. My husband's favorite thing about these shorts from Arcweg is how comfortable they are, whether he's swimming or just walking around. He recently used them on a trip that we took to Hawaii to swim and snorkel. He really liked the compression lining on the inside, that it comes down pretty low on his leg. Not only that, they're just great for walking around. He really liked wearing them at an open air farmer's market that we went to. They're just really comfortable. They don't chafe. He's 195 pounds and we got the size medium. He is definitely on the pickier side when it comes to the length of shorts, and these were perfect. There's a 9-inch inseam, so not too short, but not too long either. It's really nice that there's a few different pockets that you can use, including 2 zippered pockets on the side. So if you want to put keys or something else in while you're swimming, that's nice to know that it won't get lost. There's also an inside pocket on the compression lining that you can put a cell phone in or something else. He also really likes the color. The black, white, and gray are 3 of his favorite colors, and they go with a lot of different shirts. Overall, we're both really pleased with the fit, the durability, and how well they did when he was swimming in the water. And that's our point of view.